Well, kids galway camera slap just my hoes. Aríst fliuch dúnach cruile be haarsteid Tá mar dechan in agus bhí lá sort ufaach a lá an frisin. Ach mar ben óach na legad te híar an siar ar an isbhfuil ile bhfuil sort of teir máach in lá nóir. ré mar tú mó an teach ben má go té cham té glas kunna se just choli me ní teach an fuair sin cólach tíocht ní méh sú goach se rubach níos teochtteach. leid ben benú siar na siústa fikim spéid gom. Chéadúir le coppla ábag nach in agus áhain ní som rain réana scarteach a ripe réchi. Se fikim tá trúratear YouTube bhfuil agus tá coppla duine trú ar TikTok freisin mar se an knárud má tá é cheist agaí chum Dinne má dhéal ceisna agurt agus if you have any questions dear me le gailge le béle me ní chohanne tá tála sin tá brother cin smíart ar YouTube sin error more than one and just try me your and just stream níl sam Níl samhfuil an creile be YouTube gobar má an fá chuinebarm má tre gobar ar TikTok a récha ní mé cheist fós so má cheist a bhíhom if you have any questions for a native Irish speaker. Dinne má dhéanana cheist agurt gáid má se múte agus nach le cheistena suirta nach le cheistena gáirsúlan freisin mar setain má dhéal. Díar duna cinint ar TikTok a sin a ráúir an nuocht in é. Bhí me nuocht TG Caid a sin in é. Bhí an teo ar ina saoir. Bhí lá osclaí hín lá oscailte sin ag te solas agus bhí mé má bheith agus muí chumá séir near má bheith near sé na chéadúir aice te solas teir ina saoir agus near me seán ó bhí má dhégóir dá mar se do caiint. Míle blianachan, scamáchan agus sem just as it sin hí dramas nuocht TG Caid sin viidir caiile le coppla duine agus viidir gearlar le coppla duine sinna saoir mar se láir se lamsa agus se thug má bharú le gan lá agus citte a gear donna leis an te solas má tuairí mí tá daine sort cepa beidir sort muséumí an nó decha ágal osclaí má bhíoh osclaí bhaid níos minicí bheith daine an sort chuil suas bhaid níos minicí agus mar se beidir decha ágal osclaí gon tin lean mu in saoir an bhhuirsa teachtain cáirsa saoire má tá cuairteirí nó cáirt nó Gailton go daine ógus dá nar a hóstíh mar se is deisiíntacha agus tá sé anáirt tá teáil anáirt teáil ina sú anáirt go deogta anáirt sé an dára mar má goile mó teáil ina súr be an dára teáil is airte in éidirn tu an sé chunda tuisceart poblacht a éidirn sé dá cean is áirte. Agus tá se an áirt, tá se an áirt. So then it's near lighthouse. It's the second highest, tallest lighthouse in the Republic of Ireland. The couple can there's a few up in the north that are taller, but in the Republic, just in dark on the side. So there's these are the cake blian told you about I think it's around 150 years old. No machine, just in simul. Ceistelle ní ceistelle clichte híimste. Bhfuil ceistelle TikTok sin nó YouTube ficin go bhfuil tá cúgar scuile be for láir YouTube, so there's 5 people in on YouTube agus tá 7 ar TikTok, so 5 on YouTube agus 7 ar TikTok ach ní mór an ceistnaí tá sé baiciún. Tá sé baiciún, you're very quiet. Tá sé baiciún. Blogum agus smell to take last adding go má na go má an clickan tá na rudacin Seán nach chuir a hain LTNín na ba LTNín Tás a té LTNín cos go go má an lín sin is gan just daine lífnas mar so aim hain go má rééis té sols at aim mar lífnas freisin aim tar dúsí freisin mar tas ní chu fan color lein mar sin go má ólim go handúil but cháil na tríchopan té glas go handúil chu lá an ar bheith sé sam be ce mar réach agus le cheiste bú sé héle go le tair gláán go jazz is mar tá sé hárá muice Tá sé hárá mar tá sé hárá muice Tá sé hárá muice muis tá sé lein tá sin go háir se rí láin nó ceart go láin ná uhaach ach ma deach ar TikTok atse agus duna citte there's Nicola 7 can't understand the word, also can't stop watching. Go má. Tá súlam go tú fólam gailgin ar gailge. Gailgin is saoir. Hopefully you're learning some in is saoir. Gailgin is saoir. Well, hopefully. Súlam. Agus there's Jacob. Ní san ciúirte. Ach cechahfuil na bakle do conas. Cechahfuil cechal cuasaí leat. Tá má go má agus cechal cuasaí leat aon deara tá san tú go má bhfuil tróna jazz tinnet dúnach agus tin tíar Nicola 7 tin what language is it? Am I using language? Gailge na saoir. Gailge le ná an in na saoir. Gailge. Irish. Gailge. So Gailge. I am speaking Gailge. It is my first language. Agus Bas Aiden Uhain. Nicola, are you from Aiden? Are you Nicola? Or Bejiger Yank. Maybe she's a Yank. New that. Agus Jago Hanabo. There's lady Nivo on Arjanka Hanabio. Oh, ain't him go hillis go homeland lesson. Ain't him go hillis go homeland. Assassin Dúirt Nicola English, unfortunately. That isn't tau. That's all right. Yeah. Well, thank you for commenting. It helps the algorithm, even though it's primarily a Gaelic Irish language channel on TikTok. Anyway, maybe you might pick up a couple of words of Irish, who knows. There's Jamie and Theodore, I love Sonny. Yeah, the Sonny was a staire. Sonny is upstairs here. For Brunton of Snow got a new toy. Agus ní taro intach. Vi sé kangel agus bidja horéis fenuma a brise hosan an bre gan no so the brise. So he's a new toy, but a friend of my wife's gave. But the toy is it's meant for big dogs actually, but Sonny has already broken a few pieces off, so Bear na chamach we'll have to throw it out. Bear na chamach my ní was a salva go Sonny jet tacht he could choke. Hey, come in said my just brand new my phone that phone ele brand will on YouTube shall go but the ficking rudderkins error rudderkins mar just brand new which a gobber fang of making much in this Kalma Kalmanish right, that's a go bush. Kalma assassination. That's a go bush. Near my king just go by my Jakura routine Japanese. And I just wasn't sure the video was working because it's we should check the news which comes assassin. My goose in phones are my hotspot on YouTube for the laptop. Come a churras. Let's just go to Stacher and Cradle Bill. Cheist chinní cheist so tá chiidirchan éag creile beir TikTok de réad an rud mata se nó tríhanna éigen is mata se an cruin agus YouTube tá Birch is cosúil. Mar se bin daoine techt sa giomacht mar se is cumá. Is it a techt sa giomacht. Tá mai cepa bud de ré YouTube a chat inis os cín tá dóiag nómad. Tá dóiag dúnar cear bhuiire. Mar se dúna me beidir mag tí leabh se seacht. Was go hen chur mar timer inis le finúmad. Agus fici muidir sin as a finúmad sin caite mat Brian se má bhín goir mat a daine an fiar ceistena agus suirt. Me bhí te jochar tá sé jochar suirt creile beána nar nach mór an ceistna amil sé jochar cine rudí le lás faoi mal ní léon script am tá deach ní macha suirt chuáin tá deach rudí tá seach mo chluigean tá ní léon ceist ní léon suirt script mar deara mar se na bhíns ceistenaí an cabra de sem tú rudí le láirslam faoi nó tuairim thuirte rudí cinint. So questions are welcome because it's difficult to do a live stream, especially for more than 20-30 minutes because it's difficult to think of what to say. But not kind of like a podcast. I like a podcast. I think with a podcast you're able to pause or whatever. Live stream it's constant, so if I don't just pause, I can't just do a pause. So the more questions, the better. So as I said, I have a timer for 20 minutes. So depending on how I feel after the 20 minutes, I might do another bit of injury time, as they say, Marajara. But the questions help me going because, like a conversation, when you're having a conversation with someone, it's just natural. It's much easier to answer questions and whatever than just talk randomly, whatever. So anyway. Questions are welcome. Nish, dear Páric, mi tú breanúir Love Island na leinte se. Ní ma episode 1 hain go Love Island. Iri am hiíoch. Cuilm bhí sé a telí hána agus bhreanna mar beidir chúgnúmat go episode amháin is sné ní me brenn seáirí go Joe. Is sefuid tá sé anús digital dementia nach chéanna buna linte nó brain rot be benééis a críú int is suppose decay or falling apart mas chéile críú ach no ní bhí me Tá ceap na bhaáin níos múna chuúgnú mat I riamh maíal agus cabhar video TikTok nó Instagram agan san níos cabhar fáin nach bhrean mar beidir 5 second. Ní me gur ban ní me gur brandú well, is customized the brand my brand video one TikTok no Instagram. If you watch one video on TikTok or Instagram, then the algorithm, the AI, the stupid AI, capage I go to Gira brand version. So being fight some brand in a Love Island, and I been algorithm Gira any smooth Love Island with the Chudum show. So I'm afraid of watching any Love Island things because the algorithm might think that I want to watch more Love Island, so be sending me more crap, more Love Island crap. Níl sein da laidam Love Island. Ach, it's because of galore daine, it's because of mean galore daine, and apparently a lot of people do watch it. So, which ben legan sas nach ba. Is it the English version or no legan will can air nach an? Is it will legan air nach an will can bunny nation? Is there an Irish Love Island or is it just the UK legan sas nach ni me kinche? The club nara Clara kinche Virgin 1 and nara no ara nara kintan me grad a tra ba bene ní bhreanna mar sin nach an éiread. Bhí sé tá mai ceap a Virgin mun nach ní grán show ige bhí chud a láir grán show ige I think it was presenting it mar go if I'm not mistaken. That might be 2 years ago now. Tá na blianta go mata héisca the years are just flying by Now, it's difficult to comprehend just how fast time is going. It's been to Queen you think, oh, it's not in Bliana. But it's 2 years ago or whatever. So, if you're questioning your YouTube, which no one has asked a question on YouTube yet, so my job on their TikTok, it's I come in this. Dúirt Pádraig tá cheart ar fada tá ghlacham go bin faoi Love Island. Muid tuaide mu faoi Love Island, my opinions about Love Island. G.R. Michael Corkin ó bhfuil at Matthew Mac Donovan Neil some sin. I don't know what that is. It's fair play le in the show G.R. Matthew. Tingier an gormley a bhachtú féile na gaala níach an near má bhí man in na suir. Níar an sé an gáile nuair a mór hís mí fára. Tá ceap mí fára. I haven't been to the mainland since February. Mar táachchas ásta céine agus détan gan ein strai détan tríhí eile cinna a chuine sin cáilmuid is mí aibran Martha mi aibran mi Barton agus mi mev mar tú kaint ben chevi. So it's almost 4 months since I've been on the mainland and I could easily do another 4 months. Go roi gan ver mór hir. Charéchi. Benjamin me go gaile all my kinch me I might be going to Galway sometime this month. That's what I'm just la law sin image. Just for 1 day maybe sin image. No check just nice to gaile smile some sunny grús of us staire. Ach smilem night man gaile smilem beidir tá sunny tafan ní some glushing chip. Sonny's barking upstairs, and he's so much of an I'm not sure if you're able to hear him. If you're able to hear him barking, he's was stayed. Ereachi, Kilmara. Sha, Bichaga jazz Holgail in this reach. Budget tasat le. Come on, was a cafe. Smile cafe. I like going into cafes. Agus I like going into the cafes, and we can just cafe agus bit of cockamil is just sort freshen. Agus and funny enough, I like shopping in Tesco or Lidl or Aldi freshen, sort small machine freshen. Well, it's vegan, man. I'm a vegan myself, so fun being good round the jessa hack up a chin. So be man an bin is move. Tan shopping chan an supermarket chan shop chula chagama bin tofu agus range far ruti eile fáilan ach seach ma bin ruti jazz a bresche an freshen Lidl no Tesco no gard ruti millish ruti milche which has ma ta fiakan millish am hain agus haik much nish a couple ruti chawel Dear Matthew and will lay chulat go scoirí sin an áirteiste máireach gailge páparín. Níla sam man sé Matthew ach tá sin gan éile lob gan éile ní som tú hain me tú hain tú hain an an áirteiste máireach bhfuil Matthew bhfuil mátá gan éile tá sin gan éile go mailet agus nos a bit deachsar do dhéala dhéanna just do your best and that's an gur to stager agus hopefully the students have done their bit studying and in the last couple of seachtain agus le agus deach was the híomhnas agus deach the dhéalaíanna cad éile fé that just do your best and we'll get the harless our life basically into the yield into that's all that matters. If you know yourself that you've done your best, regardless of the result, then at least you know you did your best. What in this being Matthew, there's Michael Cork, Dear Chloe Brown, Kechi with an I'm shit in the Hillan. Tan I'm shit nach hack. Tá I'm se go donna bhí sé an le leinte le ceanna go leinte bhí mar ar ball bhí I'm si an donna well ceanna go leinte go háir for the weather's been very crap for the last 4 or 5 days at least ach tá mar ben amachchan na agus agus tan spade a glán a here and the sky is clearing up. I can see a little bit of blue and céad uair le ben a chála for almost the first time for almost 2 days I can see a bit of blue sky. The massage the lesson. Agus there's well corker that toig growing a show your cafes. Just madam hain cafes fishing. Madam's in the cafes, yeah, can't you? Agus over my chat at the chin. You're nach shafut. There's Pauline Carroll, I love to hear the Irish language fair play. Oh, Gormad, Pauline. Come on, the Crazy Frog. Kedan this far lat, we go near in the land. Go on flame, which gramadach. Well, smile Jachan Cunis, Agus. Smile nan tas at smile ve kidmara Sívnis tan child in the sayer ta eigslochtan smile the planty ta show planty bits fast at John nach min war an achile agus the such all in gloche cart in the sayer can not it's just nice to cheese though it's in this is one of the most beautiful places in the country really I suppose so There's worst places to live is, and the safeness, the peace, the quiet is similar much. Well, being good or strike cherry out fresh, and we get lots of tourists. I mean, just move up chin and heart at a coog. So it's a hine as a coog being galore strike cherry on. So between 11 and 5, we have a good amount of tourists. But then we me heart at a coog chin. Being safeness on. It's been just cute. There's Pauline Carroll went to Goma, Tama Goma, Zuhain. Pauline, not good, but I'm trying. Goma, because me, Ceapan go mar se go máscail bhfuil fónat ar bhar Father Ted. A bhaile máilm Father Ted smáilm Father Ted, smáilm Father Ted. Le an gailgí go Father Ted bha se go má. Bha se go má. Internet bha se go má. Agus the Bob just when I was Bob. There's Pauline Carroll. I tried to speak Irish for 20 minutes every evening. Oh, come on, ma. Just nava, ma since small much nach listel. Small much nach listel. Anva, Pauline. Agus cholóhan aithún YouTube. Now YouTube is very quiet. The cougars are quite a bit, according to the thing. There's 5 people in the live stream on YouTube. Ach, níl é cheistnaí mar sam. Kind of mar like TikTok. Marach TikTok, ní bhain strachel stad where enough for TikTok I'd be struggling to have any kind of conversation. Like much was like so the hug no mat fácaí a timer. So about 5 minutes left on the timer. Agus beidir a couple of nomad brescia injury time. At a sort of goes at ocras. Ní meis joking, I'm not starving now. I didn't know schools are doctors teachtar. I feel like I'm starting to get a bit hungry. Teachtar. Mar so kind of a turn kind of bugale. I bet again, we're going to meis joking, maybe in half an hour. I might be starving. I couldn't take a glass, my couldn't say gemacht my family. Yes. Dír dan gormlí bhfuil tú gúsáid cogur níl fós ach tásan go léide go rodán sílim gur sort Instagram ach an gail go bháin or the kinship go gail codí Instagram go gail codí. It's kind of like Instagram for gail codí to my cappa. Mar ma gonna move sílim ach Beijing tá ficim me Instagram ficim golóir daoine tá mar cogur an is bla so Beijing John man ban me get an scale cehfuil se réch King réilteach bhfuil tú i an áran ina saoir an áran is sílam there's Whamp FF sílam do ro á gurmad as a sin there's Matthew mi tú Russaville móran ní móran well níar me gáil le chéirhí níar me gáil le chéirhí I've been to Galway 4 months so I haven't to Russaville since that time Christian so mar ní dír imagine is chuna sa tá tú tá má go má cecha bhfuil tú hain this and that gin, tas an gultu gama. Agus in the show needing with their YouTube it's in false. Oh, ta fecim go carer tá carer a chin YouTube is cosol jered rum glacam go Jack Crane. I presume it's accurate. Ní me hanne here again. Chest chin YouTube. Oh, Miss Madam T. See, thank you, the scarches. That's the sun. That's the sun shining in now. Sneak here, the scarches. That's the first time now I've seen the sun shining in days. The light. The false more of the solus negrene. Solus negrene. Smile solus negrene. I like the sunlight. Check this. Ni higan it's only couple of focal. There's this and that. Come on, very good. This and that. Yeah, come on. Tatu folum. Come on. Because like much commits the fuck in the must have the hanu mat fuck in timer. But there's a hanu much in catch. Maybe when that 2 minutes has passed. As elapsed, better in the map. Couple of my better fucking much. How much in this much in this okay, well just chinig on the world Torch Luke Brummy in Finland, just mother Luke. Doesn't want to go ma. Motu so then line in this you in Finland now. So somewhere in I'm just in that sense. I hope that you're having better weather in Finland than in line not tancha. That's year the Kinchin will YouTube ta play agus spray YouTube PLE fata agus spray it's a pun that's in my YouTube as well I just get to do near command the chinish but at my bunch tiny about it that's me Irish Dutch this and that ma I need to do got done I need to that's Tatu tau much plantation jazz Tay glass. I think against which of non sus na grain ekel scarter starcharm you can probably see sunlight is shining in on me. Rubber roll lodge in this it's shining in a little bit too strongly now. There speculating grain that's the timer and timer catch. Masha Rudianus madness na kurma hood no mat injury time. Tamuj an injury time in this, we're an injury time now. So much hood no mat. Yeah, thank Gian Hilagway Gian and in this. That's it. Well, Clown Tanma, it's a good complaint. Clown Tanma. Agus I said Tasha Scarce, Charo Civil Fresh. Come on, Dutch. Matthew. Well, the Mujahar and the Sarah Civil, when you Mujahar, the Manang Civil like a lancel, Russia. Because he was in this just fashion. Come on. Because too much out of the kitchen through the kitchen. There's the kitchen is volume sticky fish. YouTube, chat it's me some kitchen. Right. What thank you, lodges in this. Again, the be well, I understand the engine of rack. Now, I was saying before, where's the sun gone at all? But now the sun is coming in and it's too strong now, if anything. Okay. Doesn't just take Smilem sa tea glass. I like green tea, sa full go Joe. I will but not many questions. Chwas an na question nachhol mi wúnte nó éad mar sin ag an the questions nas naughty. Le sa bhfuil le ceiste le taigríon within this set okay I'm the level with the engine alright. It's difficult for me to read the comments now because the sun is the engine alright. Taigríon ag brise clocha dúirt maps. Come taigríon na scarte. Scoilte na cloch. Agus dúirt this and that slán agus má fear. Slán this and that. Gormad Sebastian Krillego. Thank you for participating in the live stream. Gormad sin. Okay, slán. Be me hennig imach an couple numad. I myself I'll be leaving in about 2 minutes. So 2 minutes left of injury time. Then mission referee, I'm giving myself 2 minutes. Well, that's across chat and freshen, so I'm starting to get a bit hungry now as well. I can imagine this what I hecht elle and cha papati boo. So smile to tea. That hasn't right some couple of turn in the shach smile tea. I've said that a few times now already, but I like my tea. Smile with tea. Tea full on tea glass. Oh, smile tea though fresh. I drink black tea as well. There's rubash fresh. I drink rubash fresh. Dear Mabs, kid of a sat Junior, kidding in the junior. Neil Sam Fos, basically me onro agus toast. Basically, I might have some toast onro agus toast. Just some soup and toast. Rather things from ni mash jokey. I'm not starving. But I'm rather things full line. Bitches onro agus toast as bitches broccoli and other things full line fresh. Maybe some broccoli with the soup agus toast. The hummus bitches rather things full line. Drum but light. So ni mash jokey the guy in back. Across chat and as it's been a couple of rich tea and much in the yesin. I might have a couple of rich tea biscuits after that. By my dunkel of Briscoe, I'll be dunking the rich tea into the cup pan. I understand time or catch. Because me to go take cocker beans, smile some oat milk. I like oat milk. Agus a saimsir anra dúirt maps. Siúrailte, cínte. Bit go bhá with the tin ní an ghuiléanú deile le rám na réide. I don't have anything else to say really, and it's Tamas cín le bhfuil in seir mar chaid, mar dhéanamh muidir rinne saia, we say chaid. Ní cearacha, we don't say cearacha, we say chaid. Mar se an airh chaid nó mat denis an cuilh beat, and an airh chaid nó mat. We're almost 40 minutes into the live stream. So sin spile plan is chunta. That's a good stint now done. Sin spile. Sin an spile done finish up. That's a good effort done, a good amount of work done now. Mar spilp. Bit go bhá with the chinne mar gur mágaí cholachanne agus gur mágaí cholachanne a lack páirt son cuireadh beag. Thank you everyone that participated in the live stream because as you're questioning and that asks me questions. That helps the questions help Kauran Chailan Krillabochan. It helps kind of keep me going the live stream because it's without questions it's very difficult to think of things to talk about. Half an hour is a long time to be talking without anything, so eréché. Cearcolóir. Sné fá muide tinine se, gur mágaí chohanne, gur mágaí chohanne. Se, right, is, slán, slán. Just ní mí fósní, no. Agus YouTube, gur mágaí chohanne, slán.